Have you ever wondered how your brain, a 3-pound organ made mostly of fat, manages to process the overwhelming flood of information that hits you every day? Whether you're making decisions, recalling memories, or simply reacting to your surroundings, your brain is constantly working behind the scenes, performing billions of operations every second. Today, we're diving deep into this fascinating powerhouse of cognition to explore how it all happens. From short-term memory to decision-making, from neurotransmitters to neuroplasticity, we're about to uncover the secrets of how the human brain processes information. Let's start with the basics. Your brain weighs about 1.5 kilograms, which is roughly the size of 2 clenched fists. But don't let its size fool you. Your brain contains around 100 billion neurons, which make up trillions of connections, constantly exchanging information. Each neuron is like a tiny switch, capable of either activating or inhibiting other neurons with the help of electrical signals and chemicals known as neurotransmitters. Your brain processes information through 2 different systems, the reflective and reactive systems. These systems can't work together at the same time, which explains why we sometimes act on impulse and, at other times, need to pause and think before making a decision. Incredibly, the brain can hold around 7 items in short-term memory at a time, whether it's digits, words, or visual stimuli. But it's long-term memory where the real magic happens. Stored memories are refreshed and recalled, helping us navigate daily life with relative ease. Ever wonder why you're quick to make some decisions while others require more time and thought? It's because of how your brain uses both bottom-up and top-down mechanisms to process information. Bottom-up processing begins with external stimuli, like a sound or image. It's automatic. Top-down processing, on the other hand, relies on your prior knowledge and experiences to interpret those stimuli. For example, when you see a new object, your brain uses bottom-up processing to identify basic features like shape and color. But if you've seen something similar before, your brain taps into top-down processing, allowing you to quickly recognize and understand what it is. Let's dive a bit deeper into the brain's architecture. You've probably heard of gray matter and white matter. Gray matter contains most of your brain's neurons and is where most of the information processing happens. White matter, on the other hand, consists of long nerve fibers that transmit signals between different areas of the brain and spinal cord. Gray and white matter collaborate in fascinating ways to help your brain work as a unified system. When you're solving a problem, your gray matter processes the details, while white matter acts like a superhighway, speeding up communication between brain regions. What about the chemicals behind all of this processing? Neurotransmitters are your brain's chemical messengers, responsible for transmitting signals between neurons. Glutamate and GABA are 2 major players. Glutamate helps you learn and remember, while GABA keeps things in balance, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. There are over 100 known neurotransmitters, and some of them, like serotonin and dopamine, have a huge impact on your mood and behavior. Too little serotonin, for example, can lead to anxiety or depression, while dopamine plays a major role in your motivation and pleasure. Your brain isn't static, it's constantly changing and adapting. This incredible ability is called neuroplasticity. It allows your brain to grow new connections and even create new neurons as you learn, experience new things, or recover from injuries. Neuroplasticity means that even as you age, your brain can continue to improve. Activities like exercising, solving puzzles, or practicing mindfulness strengthen these connections, keeping your brain sharp and adaptable. How does your brain store memories? And more importantly, how does it recall them? The hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped region deep within your brain, is key to memory formation. When you encounter new information, it first enters short-term memory, which lasts about 15 to 30 seconds. After that, it's either discarded or transferred to long-term memory, where it can stay for a lifetime. Interestingly, long-term memories are often stored through association, which is why a particular smell or sound can bring back vivid memories from years ago. Your brain is constantly updating and reorganizing these memories to make retrieval easier. The human brain is a marvel of complexity, capable of processing unimaginable amounts of information every second. While it may seem limited in conscious tasks, handling just 50 bits per second, its vast network of neurons and synapses allows for an incredible range of thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. By understanding how your brain works, how it processes information, stores memories, and constantly adapts, you can harness its power to live a more mindful, productive, and fulfilling life. So take care of your brain because it's taking care of you. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the human brain, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.